Welcome to the Conscious Craft Studio. Today we're going to show you how to crochet the double crochet stitch. We'll start with this slip knot. We're now going to crochet 10 chain stitches. We will crochet one additional chain stitch. This will count as the chaining up stitch. We will chain 11 chain stitches. You have now chained 11 chain stitches. We miss the first chain and we do our first double crochet into the second chain stitch. Now push the hook through, yarn over, pull the yarn through. You have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through. You have 1 loop on the hook. This is your first double crochet. Push the hook through, yarn over, pull the hook through. You have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, pull through. You now have 1 loop on the hook. That's your second double crochet. Please continue until the end of the row, when you have completed your 10 double crochets into the chain stitch row. You have now completed your 10 double crochets into the chain stitch row. You'll now chain up 1 and turn your work like a book. You then miss the first chained up stitch and crochet into the second. Push the hook under both parts of the double crochet. Pull the yarn through. You have 2 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn through again. You have 1 loop on the hook. That's your first double crochet repeat stitch. Now push the hook through again. Yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops on the hook. Pull through again, and that's your second double crochet. Now carry on until you have completed this row. You have now completed your 10th double crochet stitch. Once again you chain up, turn your work like a book, miss the first chain and crochet into the second. We will now show you how to count rows of double crochet. The double crochet produces a dip row followed by dashes. So this is dip row 1 and then dash 2, dip 3, dash 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You have now completed your swatch of double crochet, 10 rows by 10 stitches. Next we will do the half treble crochet stitch. As you can see, this is a taller stitch. Hope to see you soon.